Online business is projected to change people's lives thanks to a revolutionary new course called Halal Online Method. Countless business owners, employees and stay-at-home mums are happy to test drive this incredible Halal Online Method training guide. This is welcome news for victims of the furloughed scheme during the COVID pandemic, and also those who spent decades working for a company and got fired by their bosses over Zoom. Halal Online Method is about winning and helping ordinary people get ahead in life. It is about freedom and making an ethical living on the internet. Halal Online Method is an in-depth guide with best strategies to help budding entrepreneurs start their first online business affordably while avoiding the common pitfalls. It will also help existing online business owners to equip themselves with the most effective social media campaigns and evaluate the success of it. Halal Online Method is really a fantastic training course covering all aspects of online business in 130 plus pages and 33,000 plus words. This is an awesome info-packed training guide that is compiled with precision and enriched with time-tested methods. Click on the buy button and get it now.